Today's video, we're looking at new construction homes in Independence, Kentucky. We're gonna tour through a local model home so you can get a feel for the design and the different layouts. And stay tuned to the end because we're gonna talk about pricing and what you can afford here in Northern Kentucky for new construction homes. All right, hey guys, welcome back. It's Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and TeamStanyo.com, where we are helping families find their way home. We are out doing another new construction video today. If you haven't watched our other new construction videos, make sure you check them out. We've been doing them mostly in Ohio so far. So this is our first Kentucky new construction video that we're putting up on the channel, which I'm really excited about. And we're out here in Independence, Kentucky, which is in Kenton County. Really, there's three, in Northern Kentucky, there are three counties that make up kind of the greater Cincinnati area. That's Boone, Kenton, and Campbell counties. Kenton County's right in the middle of those, and we're down here on kind of the southern end of Kenton County in Independence, Kentucky. Today we're in the Greenbrook community, and a lot of houses are going up here. One of the really nice things about the Greenbrook community, there's a couple things. The first thing is it's affordable, and some of the other homes we've looked at and the other neighborhoods we've looked at, you're not getting into those neighborhoods anywhere shy of $400,000, $500,000, maybe even $600,000 on some of the higher end grand masterpiece Fischer Homes. This one, however, starts in the mid 200s, even like around the 230s you can get a home for in here. 230s up into the 300s. So one of the more affordable neighborhoods, both for Fischer and really for any kind of new construction that's not gonna be like a townhome or a condominium or something like that in Northern Kentucky. YouTube, what's up? We're interrupting this video briefly to say, hey, way to go, you shopping for houses while on your couch in your pajamas eating some Doritos. That's pretty awesome. Me, I'm out here driving, hands-free, making videos in the rain, going to these different communities in Northern Kentucky and Cincinnati, checking out these model homes so that you can sit on your couch in your pajamas. So, hey, just maybe give us a quick like on the video, thumbs up, that'd really help us out. All right, back to the video. Another reason why people really like this community, or something that's nice about this community, is if you drive through here, you'll see there are a lot of different floor plans to choose from. And I talked to the sales rep downstairs, and really he said there's about there's 10 different floor plans to choose from, and depending on if you get a basement or a slab, you can do either one. The slabs are going to be a little bit less expensive than the basement, but you've got a lot of different variety, a lot of different options and price points to choose from here in this community. Now, in ranging in those different floor plans, you've got square footage anywhere from 1,200 square feet to around 3,000. So there really is a lot of different variety in both the floor plans, in the square footage. So you've got a lot of options here in this Greenbrook neighborhood. So why Independence, Kentucky? Why this neighborhood? And who are the people maybe buying the homes here? I talked to the rep downstairs and I asked, hey, are you getting a lot of out-of-state buyers here or more local? He said, in this one, actually a little bit more local, because in terms of the geography within Cincinnati, here in Independence, you're a little further south. You're not as close to downtown, or maybe more jobs that might be downtown. Now, what happens is when you go a little bit further out into Kenton County or Boone County potentially, or Campbell County, you might be able to get a little bit more house for your money. And that might be a big reason why you decide, hey, I'm looking at new construction houses in Independence, Kentucky, in Alexandria, Kentucky, maybe Hebron or Burlington, Kentucky, different places that are a little bit further out from kind of downtown Cincinnati or the core metro where maybe a lot of jobs might be. But you might have family out here, you might want to be a little bit further out in the country, or you just might want to get a little bit more home for the price. And the other big reason why buyers might want to consider new construction over a resale is it's crazy out there for a buyer's market. You guys can see I'm in this kind of nursery right now. I'm in the pink room here. And if you got kids and maybe you've had more kids and you're like, I want to get out there, maybe I'm trying to upgrade to get into a bigger house. And I've been out there trying to shop for homes for the last year, maybe even 2 years. And it's like a jungle out there. It's crazy. You're fighting against all kinds of buyers. And on top of that, you might be buying a house that you don't really like. That's not the features you really like, and you want to do different remodeling. And so you're buying a used house. It might not be the design you want. And you're fighting against all these other different buyers in a very competitive marketplace, potentially paying over ask price. And you might just say to yourself, why am I doing this? Why am I going through all the headache trying to rush to a home whenever I see it pop up on Zillow or the MLS feed from my realtor and run out there and put in an offer only to lose out to another offer? It's crazy. And that's why it makes a lot of sense for people to say, you know what? I'm just going to sit it out. I'm going to purchase a new construction home. I understand it might take 5, 6, 7 months, maybe even 8 months to build it. And I don't care, because I know what I'm getting. I know the timeline. I can plan my move in the right way. And it's just easier than having to get out there and kind of elbow out all of this competition of the other buyers when the inventory is so low. Now, even the inventory on the new construction is low. I asked Tony, who's working here today, hey, how many lots do you have left in this neighborhood? He said, we've got 11 lots right now. That's in the current phase. They could open up a new phase down the road. They've got a little bit more land here. But I said, how many did you have about a month ago? He said, we had about 17 or 18. So they're, even the lots of new construction are selling fast, but for you, the buyer, why it might make a lot of sense for somebody to do new construction is you can plan it out, and you can choose your lot, you can choose the floor plan you want, you can choose the pricing you want. And that's a much more enjoyable and less stressful process than trying to get out there and beat out all the buyers on a resale home. All right, guys, that's about going to wrap this one up. Per usual, what I say in these videos is if you are looking for new construction, be sure to go out and talk to a realtor first. You can certainly come into the builder and just work with a sales rep from these different builders, but the builder's already got it priced in to pay for a buyer's agent. And so get some representation on your side. It's a really good idea. It doesn't cost you a thing, and you've got someone kind of going to bat for you. If you are looking for new construction in Independence, Kentucky, hey, give us a call at Team Sztanyo, 513-813-6293, or really anywhere else in Northern Kentucky or Cincinnati. We're licensed in Ohio and Kentucky, and would love to help you get into a new home. And if you haven't checked out our other videos, guys, just watch another one. Watch another one right now. We've got all kinds of videos of different new construction homes that you can check out. We hope you enjoy that. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, please. That helps us out so much. And click that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.